Hi guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to delete Facebook page. This is a very easy tutorial. Now, if you really want to delete your Facebook page, you should always remember that by deleting Facebook page, you will also remove all the information with that Facebook page. And you are only given 30 days to, reactivate it. If not, then your Facebook page will be fully deleted. So if you want to delete, all you have to do is to go to your Facebook page, the correct Facebook page right here. So let's just say I want to delete this one marketplace Facebook page of mine. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to look for settings. So you must also be updated for you to see the settings and privacy under a Meta Account Center. Unlike before, there are some changes with the features and options here on your Facebook, or let's just say Facebook page. So if you have updated, you just have to go to Account Center and then go to settings and privacy. And then here, what you're going to do is you have to look for access and control. So you can see it under page setup. Okay, what you're going to do is to go back and then look for access and control. So access and control is under your information. So you have to look for your information here. If you can see it right here, then you can go to the search more and then look for access and control. Okay, so we have here your information and then tap this access and control. And then after that, you have two options now, deactivate page or delete page. So our tutorial is about deleting your Facebook page. So of course, obviously you have to click the second one. And then after that, you can read the information and then click continue. Like what I've mentioned earlier, once you delete your Facebook page, you will delete everything here. So you have the chance or opportunity to download the information, chance for a copy of the information before deleting your page. So to confirm this, you have to enter your password for them to make sure that you're the one who's making changes with your Facebook page here. Now, here's the thing. So as you can see, you're about to permanently delete your page. If you're ready to delete, click delete page. Once you submit your page for deletion, you have 30 days to reactivate your page and cancel the deletion. After 30 days, the deletion process will begin, and sadly, you won't be able to retrieve any of the content or information you have added. So once you're okay with this and you fully understood everything here, then all you have to do to confirm the permanent page deletion is to click the continue button. And that's how easy it is to delete a Facebook page. So thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.